So email notifications. So what I'm going to do is I will let you know the scripting in the email notification. So this, you type here notifications, then you need to go in the system notifications, then you should be able to do this. You need to click on the notifications. Okay. Now for an instance, let's say I'm going to talk about this incident. This instead open and unassigned, that means you always need to compare with the form. Okay, on what level, on what field
Yeah.
changes you want to send a notification to a end user. We had also seen about there's a three ways. One way you can directly add the users. So we had seen about we can directly hard code the name. For example, if I want to send you the notification, then I can directly add your name like this.
Okay.
If nothing is decided, so you can make a user or group fields. At last we have a group. We can send a notification to directly a group. Okay. Now
Okay.
let me quickly go on this. Okay. So that is gonna be session 12. Okay. Now because email notifications. Okay. So just be with me. I'm gonna teach you something which gonna help you out. Okay, in the scripting. For an instance, this is our last one. I'm going to remove this
Yes.
over the last one. Okay. So let's take this example. This is my form. Let's say this is my incident form. Okay. Likewise, there may be the multiple fields maybe there, right? Making sense?
Yeah.
You can compare this layout with your incident form. So let's say in this way. So let's compare this layout with this layout. Okay. Probably I can say it F1, F2. It represents the field names F3 or F4. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I just did, I just made a one layout. It's for your reference, and it have the fields labeled here. Okay. Making
Yeah.
sense for you?
Yeah.
Great. Now, for an instance, you want to send a notification. You need to make this from here. Let's say this is your notifications template. Okay.
Yeah.
And you want to send F1 field to the user, which contain your user name or incident name or incident number. Okay.
Yeah.
So how you can access that field, how you can access this F1 field in your notification. Because all in all, this is just a field which you want to send in your email notification. Okay.
Okay.
That's why you use this dollar sign. Okay.
Yeah.
Making sense?
Yes.
Okay. So dollar sign by and you will able to access table field value. Okay, so how we can do it? Compare it. Any questions till now? A small thing, how to access
No.
the field. So for example, if you want to access the number field in the notification, let's take it this way. Example, this is your notification. This is something making as a N right now. Okay,
Okay.
and if you want to send this field in the notification, then what you need to do, you need to type $, curly braces, then the variable name. So in such a case, what is the variable name? Always you will have to right click and you will able to see this is a number, right? We had discussed about this, the number. You always need to right click, then you will able to get the variable name. Okay, so variable name may be different. So for a number, it's very straightforward. This is show number. Okay, this is the variable name by which you will able to access this field value in email notification, but it won't be same for others. So for an instance, just take in this way, select. So in this way, can you see it? U underscore select underscore country.
Okay.
So that's different. So if you want to access this field, if you want to access this field in the email notification, it will contain your number, NUMBER, and it will contain U underscore select underscore country. Okay, always you won't use the labels. So this is called labels. Select country is just my is label. Okay, making sense for you?
Yeah.
Great. Now whenever you want to send any notification, you always need a call. You always need the variable name. So for example, caller, so it may be the caller ID. This is a variable name and this is your label. Okay, so label is just which you can see by your eyes, straightforward. So whenever you are opening any form, this is called labels, number, category, maybe the label. But if you right click, then you will see the category. UK business city, that is my label, but the variable for this is U underscore UK underscore business underscore city. So if you want to send this notification, you will able to access by this U underscore UK underscore business underscore city. Clear? What I just discussed about the labels and variable. Okay. What are the labels?
Dollar underscore.
It's just a representation.
Okay.
It's representation of a field. If I have a variable is a which hold the value of field. Okay, making sense? How to access it?
Yeah.
You only need to right click,
Yeah.
and check for show. Okay, So let's talk about more about this. Now if you right clicking here and applying, you clicking on show number, just click there, it will give you the entire information. So it is coming from a task table, field is number, its type is string, and max length is 40. So maximum 40 characters can fill in this field. Okay. Likewise, the customized one which we had created long back, select country. What I just did, I checked for number first, then I am going on the select country first. Okay, select country, show this, then click here. So what is the difference you just observe is the number field was on the task table, but this variable, or probably I will say,
Actually, it
yes,
got U_UK last.
yes,
We
and it is
we
stored in
haven't
the,
assigned any country here.
yes, and it's stored in the incident table. Okay,
Okay.
incident table inherits the properties of the task table, so that's why all the numbers come from the task table. Okay, so slowly what I'm trying to do now is trying to connect each and everything now. Okay,
Okay.
so I will explain you more about this. So if you want to send the assignment group, talk about this assignment group, show this. Okay, whenever you want to access assignment group, click there, you need to copy this field, double click, copy, go here, and what it contains. Okay, so let's quickly see about how it is being configured. Okay, if you want to send this notification, or if you want to send the assignment group in the notification, so you can type it notification. How you can access it? $, curly braces, this. Likewise, if you want to send number in your email notification, then you can access by a number. For an instance, if you want to send the country, then you will select a country, select country, right click, try to find the variable name and click here, try to find this field name, it's called variable names. You need to copy this and paste it. If you want, whenever you want to refer to the value, this, making sense? Likewise, select country. Likewise, if you want to send the open date, speaking of a few options, open date, so open this date. What you can do, you can right click to get to know the variable name is opened at. Okay, you won't able to access this field by just opened, you will need to type the opened. All in all, you need to right click this, show this is opened at is your variable name. Okay, likewise, which I had told you in an earlier session, that labels and a variable may differ. Making sense for you?
Yeah.
Open at, you need to copy this. I just copied it, open date. Yes. How can I access this? With this curly braces, then let's make a $, and this. Okay, likewise, if you want to send if you want to use this notification, if you want to include the open date in the notification, then you can copy same and you can paste it here. Oh, sorry. Okay, likewise you will use it. Each and every ServiceNow field entertains the variables. Okay, so just take in this way. Can you type your email address in the chat box? What I'm going to do, I'm going to create you in the my profile, so you will able to see it. User administration. To create a user administration, user ServiceNow, create you this. So this is your email address. Probably I'm gonna make it user ID, first name, last name. Gonna leave it. Okay, and how you able to do it? Email note is required. I will do not this. Okay, you can
Yeah.
save it. Oops, sorry. This department and this one. Just yeah, save it again. So what happened? I just created your profile. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I just define what it will contain field. Okay, what it will contain field. So in that, what it will contain, what the subject is, it will this text and this text, and I'm trying to find the number of the incident. So that number is INC INC 00100056 is the number which will be here in your email notification. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Now who will receive? So I just mentioned your name. Let's say I'm going to add your name here and type it. Type it. This is your email address. This is your first name, last name. This is your user ID. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to send you the notification right now. So what I'm going to do, just added you in the profile. So once I added it, it is available as this. Okay. You can see it here. Sidhu. Great. Okay. So whenever any incident is being created, it will send you the notifications. Okay. So save it. So what I just did, in an incident table, I created a notification that if the assigned to is empty, whatever is empty, it will send you the notifications. Okay. So
Yeah.
let's go in the incident tab now. This tab, and say set. It's your name here. It's all the couple of mandatory field is available. This is caller field, which the select country field was there. Let me UK. Make it L. Okay. So in your notification, you will able to see the UK. Making sense for you? And what I'm going to do is, everybody had discussed about the insert and update. So insert happen only one time and update maybe 100 times, 1000 times, it doesn't matter. Okay.
Yeah.
I gave example of the birth certificate. So just take this example. If something goes wrong with your birth certificate, then you can go to the municipal corporation and you can ask for the correction. But you can't ask, okay, I want a new one. Correct.
Yeah.
Your ID won't be changed. The registration number won't change. Correct. Making sense for you.
Yes.
I just submitted it. Once you submitted it, you are back on the page because you was on your last page was this. Okay. See the outbox. Let's see went through or not. See what the outbox is showing right now. It triggered a mail to you, and see this is showing you the on your behalf because you are a caller. Go in your Gmail and check have you received any email. Or you will have to wait some time, I guess. Then
Yeah, I need to wait for some time.
sorry,
I need to wait for some time.
I think probably you will receive a couple of seconds, I guess, because it's already sent from service now.
Yeah. No, I haven't received.
Check your junk box. Give me a second.
Yes.
I'm making on a hold. Give me a second. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
You receive any email?
No.
Probably you will have to check
No, I haven't.
if sometime. Okay. This is the email address which is you can see in the recipient.
No. I haven't received any. I haven't received any.
Okay, you will receive in some time. So don't worry. Okay, because it's already processed. You can probably check your junk box. Okay. So if something is processed, that means mail triggered from ServiceNow. There is no issues from ServiceNow aspect. Okay. Go here, click there, and the type is sent, and status processed. If I want to see what you received, I can click on preview HTML body, and probably you would have received something like this. Maybe you receive in junk.
Maybe I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Any issues? Any concerns till now?
Okay. I haven't received any email. Maybe it takes more time.
That will maybe it will take more time. you can't comment. Okay, so let's see. Received. Okay, I think maybe you will receive some in some time. Okay, let's ignore that for now. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Because I have a log, ServiceNow have sent you a mail. Okay, maybe junk box, spam box, whatever you are using, it will be there. Okay. So likewise, you will receive your emails, and if you want to access that, you can access by your $, the positions. Okay, making sense for you?
Yeah.
Okay, but make sure this condition should match all the time. Okay. And what it will contain? It will contain this. If you want to access this, then you will be able to do it. If you want to put any logo, then you can put a logo as well. It depends on your organization branding. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Any issues, any concerns till now?
No. Okay.
Great. So now we are done with your email notifications. Okay. There is a small part which is pending right now, but I will let you know in the end of the training, where in last session I will connect each and everything. Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
Great. So now we are done with uh, the email
Email
notifications.
notification.
Okay. Now let's move on next topic. I'm going to stop a screen share for now, just for a couple of minutes. Um, great. Okay. Till now, any questions you have, so you can ask me.
Yeah.
Any specific question you got?
Till now I'm okay, but I have to study it once.
Yeah, you will probably have to see the things just because.
Yeah. Because for one time we cannot grab it, right?
Yeah, it's more about your understanding because I'm explaining you the lots of things in I'm training. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a second as well. Okay. Let's talk about the CMDB for now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So quickly, what I'm gonna do is share the screen. I just want to see that for the admin training. Okay. Want to verify that what we had discussed. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, so I think you are able to, you got this plan, right? This training plan.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Gonna still the status wise. Okay. Now this, I can say yes, we did it. Change problem, change management, we did it, right?
Yes.
Let's talk about ITSM tool overview. If we did it, we know about how many tools. There's IT Service Manager, there's Adobe Clarify, there's HelpDesk Plus, there's other tool as well. We got an instance overview. There's a 3 instances. Okay. Then we discuss about the form. Then we discuss about tables. We haven't discussed about the CMDB till now, but we discuss about the home pages. We discuss about your user groups, role and delegation. Okay.
Yeah.
We haven't discussed about security till now. We discuss about the matrix and reporting. We discuss about email notification today. We discuss about your knowledge base till now. Okay. So today I'm going to cover 2 things. One is your CMDB today.
Okay.
Is the
CMA, what's the
CM
CMDB?
app. Yeah, I'm giving you a high level idea. I will explain each and everything what I'm going to
Yeah,
do
yeah, yeah.
today.
Yeah.
Okay. CMDB stand for Configuration Management Database. Okay.
Okay.
Configuration Management Database. That's we're gonna do it
Database.
today. It's very pretty important one. Probably I'll make it in different color. Yellow. Okay. Then we are going to talk about the updates set today. This is gonna be your 75+% of your training. Okay. Till now the session went very slow just because I always want to give you some time to digest the trainings. Okay. I hope
Yeah.
that helped you a lot because the idea was not to rush
Yes.
any time. I hope you got enough time to understand the things, seeing the videos and whatever things. Okay. Now
Yeah.
let's talk about the CMDB. Okay. Okay. Before that, I would like to tell you something. Okay. So this stands for configuration management database. What is this? To make you understand this, I will
Okay.
probably explain you in a college environment. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's say I'm gonna use some smart charts. I think probably it will help you out. So let's say this case. This is your college.
Okay.
Okay. Now probably I think I need to go on another page because it's gonna be a big diagram. Okay. Probably gonna do it.
Yeah. Okay.
This is your college. Let's say the college have I'm not sure which one will be the right one as in you. Let's go with the picture. I think it's gonna help you out. Okay. So let's say this is a college. The college have a, let's say, different labs. Okay. How I'll say it. The I'm not able to do it. Okay. Let's say your college have a computer lab, lab 1. Okay. Any questions?
No, I'm okay.
Great. And it got the number 2.
Okay. Computer lab 1 or lab 2?
Yeah. Now change the sizes because it's gonna take lots of space.
Okay.
Actually my VZO is not working. I'm not sure what went wrong. I probably
Okay.
would have shown you on that. That's fine, I guess. Okay. Uh, Hang on, let's me delete it. Apologies for this just because it's gonna take
That's it.
a long time to draw. What I'm gonna do, talk about the smart charts.
Not, just do one thing. You can draw it on the white paper and you can put that picture, right?
Uh,
On the session, on the Word document, which you gonna make the copy for me.
no, it's
So I
fine.
can see on that on the screen. That will be
No,
easy for you and you can save
it's
it.
fine. No issues. No issues for that. Okay. You can just draw it. Okay.
Okay.
This is gonna define it better.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Let's say this is a college. Okay. Let's say college have a lab 1 and it have a lab 2. Okay. Or I can rename it, yeah, computer labs. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions till now?
Okay. I'm okay now.
Great.
So flow chart, right?
It's just a flow chart for you right now to make you understand what is a
Yeah.
CMD.
Yeah. Yeah. I understood that.
Okay. So don't
Yeah.
take is a CS example, or you always try to use that example which you can understand it better way. I'm not going in a technical way right now. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, let's say computer lab is divided into 2 sections. Okay. L, so let's say lab 1.0 or lab 1.1, and it have only 2 point lab 2.0. Okay. Now, if I am, come on, okay. Now, if I say this, the lab have around the lab have 50 systems. Okay. I'll try it here. The lab 1 have a 50 systems. Okay. So I can delete it. What's wrong with this? And your lab 1.1 also have a 50 systems. Okay. Making sense?
Yeah.
Or is it confusing for you? Okay, let's take another approach. Because if I am not able to draw, you won't be able to understand it. Let's take a very simple approach of Excel. Okay, so what type is as a level 1. Okay, so level 1 is your college. Okay,
Okay.
now let's say it's a level 2. Let's say you will have a computer lab, lab 1. I'm saying now your the computer lab 2. Okay, I have just merged it. So level 1 is your this, then is your level 2 this. Fine. Let's talk about level 3. Level 3 is
Yeah.
your device level. Probably okay, let's make an I'm skipping for now level 3. I'm going on level 4 for now. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Level 4 is your, let's say, your computer lab 1. Forget about the last one. So let's lab 1 have 50 systems. Okay. And
Okay.
lab 2 have around 100 systems.
Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's increase the scale. Let's say it's a university. Okay.
Okay.
What I'm doing is replacing the college with the university. Okay.
Okay.
Now wanna add it more levels. So on a level 2, it have a, let's take an example, it have a 7 colleges. College 1,
Okay.
college 2, college 3, college
Okay.
4, college 5, college
Six colors.
6, and college 7. Okay. Understood? The environment.
Yeah.
Any questions?
No. Okay.
Let's go this. Your college.
Okay.
Okay.
In the level 2, there will be 7 colleges
Yeah.
and 1 university. Okay.
Let's say on level 3, now I'm not going to give the lab 1 or lab 2 or lab 3. Okay. What I'm going to do is giving you the college details only. Okay. So for an instance, college 1, okay, have around 1000 PCs, 1000 systems, 100. Let's say it have a 5000 systems, or say PCs. it have around 900 PCs.
Okay.
Let's say it also have 5,000, and let's say it got a 700 PCs. Let's say about College 6 has got 300, and let's say the 100 PCs.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and so the levels. So for now, what I'm just going to do, I'm going to type here the PCs, and I'm going to remove this
Okay.
suffix now. Okay. It's a very important concept. That's why I'm want to explain you such a way that you understand it. Okay. Okay. Let's go to reduce the size data. Let's do that. So, okay. If I want to add it, use this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this and plus this. So what is the total PC? 13,000.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now if someone is saying how many assets your university have, so contains 13,000. I just added it. Okay. For example, if you're increasing the asset, just make in 12,000. Just changes. Let's make it a more change. 7,000. Make it 3,000. Make it just make a 5,500.
Okay.
So what happened? Right. If I'm saying let's increase the scale. Let's say it have around 2,400. So
Okay.
that's a number change. This is a
Okay.
small
Yeah.
calculation which I did on Excel. Okay, this is your university. Okay, okay. Any questions till now? Why I did it?
No.
It's
Okay.
a very good question. I'm going to raise the question to myself why I'm doing it. Let's
That's okay.
include some more levels to provide of college 1 facility. We need routers, switches, okay, then some servers, making sense. Then
Yeah.
what else I require? I need a Windows, or I'll type it as a operating
System.
systems, and I required my, for word purpose I need a MS Word. Okay,
Security system.
antivirus. Okay,
Yeah.
likewise Tap it now. So probably the college have spent on each and everything, correct?
Yeah.
Is it okay? So
Yeah.
if I'm saying to enable this 12,000 PCs, this 6 items are necessary. Okay. You want me to repeat?
Yeah. No, I'm okay.
Okay. So just very simple. So you
Yeah, I
got,
just understood the concept.
yeah, it's just a concept. Just make in this way.
Sure.
You go,
Okay.
yeah.
So
So
the total infrastructure and all the colleges
yes.
undergoing university.
So if you're going in your library, there may be one system where you can find your MS Office. You can find it's an internet connection. You can find an antivirus there as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm just saying on a very high level. I'll say the hard disk information or whatever for now. Family, I'm taking these
Okay.
examples. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, further drilling down, level 5. Its total count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right?
Yeah.
Now type it 12,000 into 6. Okay. What I just did, I just this is a 6 items. Okay. And this is
Okay.
my total PC in college 1. So I multiply 12 into 6. That's it. Okay. Likewise,
Yeah.
if you want to see the total number, I want to see this 7,000 into 6. Likewise, 900 into 6. Why I'm doing it? Because this all the items which I have in my system. Okay. Make as a
Yeah.
6 equal to 700 into 6. Likewise, into 6. Same 2400, sorry, 2400 into 6. So if I say that in college 1 we have around 72,000 items, would that be wrong? All right. Any feedback?
No, that's okay.
So
Total.
for, okay, let me re-explain you what I just did.
This 72,000, 42,000.
Okay, what I just did, I multiply the PCs with the items. Okay, the formula is
Okay.
okay. Uh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Formula is very simple. The formula is simple. Number of PCs into items. Okay. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. The items is router, switches, server, operating system, MS Word or antivirus. And this is my number of PCs. What I just did, I multiplied 12,000 into 6. So total 72,000 I got it. Likewise I did for each and everything. Making sense for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me conclude something. It was just a calculation. So what I just explained you, we have one university, it have a 7 colleges, each, for example, college 1 have 12,000 PCs, college 2 7,000 PCs, college 3 900, 5,000, 700, 5,500, 2,400 PCs. And for enabling at 12,000 PCs, for each and everything we require some kind of operating system. We need a we need MS Word, we need an antivirus to install on each and every system. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
Right. I'm just giving a very random example of the router, switches or server for now. Okay. How I got this figure? I calculated with the number of PCs into this available items. So we have, it's very simple, is 12,000 multiply by 6 because we have 6 items. That's how I got 72,000. Making sense for you?
Yeah.
Great. It's just a calculation. Let's how, but why I have explained this all. Okay. Let's take in this way. I'm gonna one column here. Okay. Let's say, okay, this all includes some costing, right? This PC hardware, correct? All things include some kind of costing. Okay. Cost. What is it? University has some amount for this. Okay. Makes sense?
Right. Yes.
Now if I say that if someone want to buy this college, okay, just make it this statement. If someone, if the university clear this, this university want to sell college number 1 to some any other college, or it's shifting in any other college, there is some divided, or the state is divided, so they are splitting the college. Okay. Now the university is saying that if you want to buy my college 1, okay,
Yeah.
there is a property cost, what is the land cost, or then I will say, okay, the infra cost, okay, then maybe the mess cost and blah blah things. I'm more interested in the computer labs cost. Probably I'll say the IT infra cost. So for now I'm deleting this You understood what is the point? If the college say, I want to buy, sorry, I want to sell my college number 1. Then I am going to give you costing of the this infra, IT infra.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I can delete this. Correct. Interested in the IT infra now. Now I am saying out of 12,000 PCs, I have a i7 configuration, I have a i5 configuration, I have i3 configuration. Okay. The roughly cost for the i7 is around 50,000.
Okay.
For i5 is, let's make it 40,000, and for i3 is around let's make it 29,000. Okay.
Yeah.
And instead of that, I have brought this is called machine cost. Then apart from that, there will be the router cost. It will cost the antivirus cost, Wi-Fi premium. Okay, monthly premium. Then MS Word cost as well. Because I'm providing on each and every machine this basic facilities.
Yeah.
Understanding point?
Yeah.
So I'm not going in at that level. I just wanted to explain you the concept. Now, on an average basis, what this told them, my college 1 IT infra cost, it have around 72,000 items which I'm selling you now. Okay.
Yeah.
And my average cost is around, let's make it around 49,000. Okay. So if someone want to give a quote, okay, of
Okay.
IT infra, so what it gonna be? It's gonna be equal to this into this. Can you see it? What will be the cost of the IT infra?
Yeah.
Let's calculate somewhere so I can also get some idea.
Yeah.
Gonna be okay. So it's gonna cost you more than 200 crores. Okay, it's making a very roughly idea.
Yeah.
Okay, how I got this costing? You understood the entire concept?
Yeah.
Any issues, any concern on the
It's very
this
cost.
concept? You want me to explain anything else? So you just let me know what you want me to do. Explain.
This is fine.
Is this fine? 100%?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's make one thing is called asset. There is lots of tools which are available in the market. Very, very important. asset management tools. So what they do? Asset management tools search for all your devices and store the configuration in the database, which is called configuration management database. What they will store when they search for any devices, it depends what kind of search the company is looking forward. It will search, okay, this asset is assigned to Sidhu. Okay, this asset have i7 machine. This asset have Windows. This asset have antivirus. This asset have a Visio, blah blah softwares. Okay.
Okay.
So what it will do? It will search for the configuration. Okay. It will find a machine and explore the configuration of machine one, and after that it stores the configurations in its database, which is called configuration database, or versus CMDB. Okay.
Yeah.
You understand what is the configuration management database? Do you have better understanding now?
Hello?
Yes. Any questions till now?
No, can you increase the sound in your system?
Sorry?
Can you increase the sound in your system?
Can I?
Increase the sound in your system.
Well, actually it's already full. It's fine.
Oh,
Hello?
yeah, hello?
It's fine now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you understood what is CMDB? What is Configuration Management Database and what it does?
Yeah.
And why it is important for company.
Yeah.
For this.
Rotational, I think. Total rotation, right?
Sorry?
Cost of total.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Yeah, hello.
So can you hear me? Actually lots of background noise is coming. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Actually lots of noise is coming from background.
Is this okay now?
That actually is okay. So do you have understanding what is CMDB?
Yeah.
Great. So this is our configuration management database, but there is a lot of tool is available in ServiceNow. Okay, there is one is called okay, the tools. Tool is concerned. This ServiceNow have a discovery, the product, discovery product. Then we have one is called Microsoft SCCM. Okay.
Okay.
There's
Yeah.
many other tools for asset management available. Okay. Tools. Making sense? Any questions till now?
Yeah. No, it's okay till now.
No.
I'm fine with that.
Okay.
Easy to understand this one.
Okay. Let's go on the service now again. So you understood this all? Okay. There's one thing is called CMDB. Well, let's go on a table slice. Let me explain you on the table wise. Time. So okay. You can type it CMDB directly. Is starting with the A. I want CMDB. So probably you can see it here. CMDB baselines. Okay. CMDB baselines, CMDB baseline entry, CMDB discovery, lease, use. Here, there is a lots of tables which are available in ServiceNow. Okay, for storing that data. Okay, what am I going to do? I want or CMDB underscore CI. This is name. Okay, what I just did, I type in search box CMDB underscore CI dot list. That's what I typed. Take some time to open. Should open.
Okay.
Okay, so can you see it here?
Yeah. All the mail.
So
All the
this
systems
is the
and
name.
what type of system it is.
This is a name. This is a name, manufacturer, where this asset is, description, computer, and when it was updated. All the info, all the university asset detail will be stored in your CMDB tables. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's take one example. First one, let's take a very easiest one. What is happening? Okay. So that's why I gave you one
Okay.
example. This is the asset name. This is the asset tag, which because see, if you go in your library, there will be asset tag all the time, correct? By which they identify the system. Have you seen that tags?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
the name, it's asset tag as well. They know who is manufacturer. They understand it. They also store the serial number to the model ID. They store asset assigned to this person. Then we go in a operating system. What operating system? We can also see the OS version. We can also see the OS pack. We can also understand the RAM, CPU, speed. Okay.
Yeah.
Likewise, if you go in a, if you scroll down, you will see the network adapters, right? It will be all your network adapters will be stored. I see some problem with my
Yeah.
user account. This is stored. So it will show you the devices name. Okay. For example, if you have 250 GB or you have 1000, uh, I will say it. 1 TB hard disk, it will show you here. Okay. In the installed software, you can see it. It will show you the all installed software. For an instance, we got example of this. So which software is installed on your machine, so they can identify from here. Okay. Likewise, it depends
Yeah.
on the organization what you want to store in ServiceNow. Okay. But this gonna be your centralized place where the entire configuration of your organization is stored. Making sense for you, or do you want me to repeat anything?
Yeah. No, it's
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
So there may be 20 other things which are available in the market. So it will be stored in a it will be primarily stored in CMDB CI table. Okay. Whenever it search a device,
Okay.
it classify it. Okay. So let's go again. CMDB CI dot list. So let's go here. Go here. All. If they are saying the class. So there are many classes available right now. You see it? Computer is a one class. If you want to store a communication devices, it will be stored in ServiceNow as well. If you want to store a computer peripheral, actually I'm not sure it will be there or not. So you're also storing the keyboard informations as well and scanner information. So let's take this example. If you are accessing any keyboard in your library, the details is also stored in ServiceNow CMDB. That means if that is stolen, they know what was the cost of that.
Okay.
Making sense for you? So just take in this way, entire configuration. So whatever you can think in the IT that may be considered as an asset. They can store the mouse details, they can store the iPad details, they can also store the phone details, they can also store uh, BlackBerry devices, the scanner or printer, anything. Okay,
Yeah.
and to whom it has been assigned. Okay,
Yes.
okay, that's a one. So that's I covered the entire concept. Okay, and I have also shown you on ServiceNow how it look like. Now let's talk about the CI configuration item. So configuration item may be referred as anything. Okay, so a person is also considered as a CI which have some value associated with that. For an example, if you see yourself and if you're joining any company after 1 or 2 weeks, you're also in CI because you are holding some value or some cost. Okay, so whenever anything is coming in a company environment, company pay for that. Making sense for you?
Yeah.
And company always would like to have that kind of information. Okay,
Yeah.
so just take a very typical example now. For an example, there's a Office 365. These are newer for many organizations. Okay, for an instance, your university want to upgrade, got 100 licenses. Okay, and it's only available for your HODs. Let's say there's 100 HODs are in your college. Okay, how your college IT administration will get to know that okay, these are the 100 PCs which belongs to the the HODs, and we need to install the Office 365 on their machine.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want me to repeat that example?
Yeah. Once can you?
Okay, great. Please type it. Okay. Okay. Let's say this scenario. For example, your college got 100 license of Office 365, and your college IT admin want to install Office 365 on HOD's machine only. Understood? You understood the scenario?
Yeah.
So constrained, you got only 100 license. Okay, got only 100 licenses here. Now, how you identify that? See, you want to install Office 365 on HOD's machine only. So it's a two. It can be done two ways. Either, let's take it this way. So either a IT guy or any assistants will visit to HOD office and get the asset details, okay, or upgrade it, or install the Office 365 on machine, right?
Yes.
So it's just like this. You are visiting any computer center where you want to install your Office 365. So a person get a CD or something, and he install that software on your machine, right?
Yeah.
Second way, an IT guy visits the HOD office and get the asset details and run a job to install Office 365 on machine from network. The second way, right? So what is happening, like
Okay.
maybe maybe in your library you always find okay, something has been changed, or some bit lockers is going on, some maintenance is going on all the time, in a month end, on quarter end, on in some twice. Uh, so most of the monthly basis, some urgent maintenance need to be done, right? You always need to find it. Have you came across that kind of situation? Hello,
Yeah.
have you came across that kind of situation? If you're visiting your college library where you see there's some maintenance is going on your PC, or they always maintain something on, they upgrade a patch, something, anything, correct?
Yes.
or probably any other activity which need to be done. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So in both
We
the
may use
yep,
some other infrastructure.
yes. So some kind of work need to be done because that should be on compliance. Okay. Now in both aspect, the IT guy will visit a HOD office in both the to get a asset detail. Okay. In both examples or both cases, the IT guy is coming and getting the asset detail or installing the software manually. So if you see the effort, if see he is there, so O65 is taking around 45 minutes. Okay,
Okay.
right, and he have around 100 systems. That is around 45 100 minutes. Okay, right,
Yeah.
to complete his job. If I convert that in days, or probably I'll say it in hours, it's gonna complete in 90 hours. Okay, hours, minutes. As a system, it's a count of system and per system minute, per system time. Okay, you understood the example? So what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to estimate the effort. Okay, hello,
Yeah.
if anything is going beyond your head, let me know. No problem at all, I will explain you again.
No, I'm okay.
Okay, fine. So the
I just came out of the room and set up.
yeah, it's fine. See, now we are going in technical aspect. Okay, so more thing will come. So now I think you have basic understanding how system works. That's why I'm explaining you the CMDB now. Okay, so just take a effort of this. Okay, so one guy is visiting all. Okay, to install. So on a per system, he is spending around 45 minutes. He have 100 system because they have around 100 HODs. Okay, if I what I just did, I multiply per system with the total system count. Okay, how I got it? Per system minute into count of system. So for per system it's around 45 minutes. Total system is 100. So on an average he is spending around 4500 minutes on an entire task, right? Which is around 90
Yeah.
hours. If I further divide in a days, so what is going to happen? Divide by, let's say a person work on a 8 day 8 hours daily basis. Okay, no one work on a 24 hours, correct?
Yeah.
So what I did, he is going to complete the installation of the Office 365 in 11.28 days. You understood the effort? Okay, let me re-explain. What I just did is the per system minute. In my per system minute, he is spending 45 minutes on a per system. He have around 45
Okay.
system. He have around 100 system. I just multiplied this with the one system into 100. That's how we got 4500 minutes for the 100 system. Gonna be for
Okay.
100 system. Okay. Okay. Now what I did, I converted the minutes in the hours.
Okay.
Okay, 4500 divided by 60. Now that's how I got 90 hours. Now per day on an average a person work on the 8 hours. Okay,
Yes.
so what I did, I further divided the hours on a per day 8 hours. That's how I got to know 11.25 days
For
for
each person.
100 system effort. Okay,
Okay.
this is the example. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, you answered the example. Any questions?
No.
Lots of noise.
Even still.
Yes, fine somewhere. Okay. Now you got this figure. Just imagine. Just imagine. You got around in your college one. You got around 72. Okay. You got 12,000 assets. Okay. Am I right?
Yeah.
And you need to install Office 365 on this 12,000 assets. Okay. So do you want me to calculate it? So if a
No.
person is going 24, 45 minutes, okay, then if he have around 12,000, okay, probably I can directly type it here. Okay, 45 minutes, total system count 12,000 10% to 12,000 into 45. Okay, this way. So this 35, 12. So he gonna complete the 12,000
30
assets
days.
in
30, 50 days.
let's go in a month. Okay, so let's take an average of the 30 days. Okay, divided by 30, 45 months. If I'm gonna take an year, so it's gonna be, he will take around 3.75 years to complete this installation if he is going with this way. To complete
Okay.
this number of assets. Okay,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna delete this now. Now by SCM or by CMDB, okay, we are storing each and everything, correct? If you go here, we understand, we know. Let's say, okay, let's go this. Let's say the class, the computer. So by SCM, I got to know this all the manufacturer. I can also get to know who are using these assets for now. Okay, I can get info of the assigned to. I can shift it on the right hand side. Assigned to, mark this, okay, and that. And press on OK. So all the relationship is stored in my SCM. See, so this all the users which are using these assets, correct? all in all, what I need to do, I got each and everything, correct? I only need to schedule a job. Come on. I only need to schedule a job to install software on that machines. And how much time it will take? It will take hardly 6 to 7 hours. So your 3 years task will be completed in your 6 to 7 hours. Because you already know by your ServiceNow CMDB that who is using what system and what relationship is being stored in SCCM. Sorry, yes, ServiceNow CMDB. Is it useful or
Yeah.
not?
Yeah.
So this is high level idea of CMDB. Tomorrow I'm going to talk about just 15 minutes. I'm spending the 15 minutes, but try to digest this till here. Tomorrow I'm
Yeah,
going
sure.
to move further on a technical side. It's not too much technical. I have already explained you enough technical aspect.
Okay.
Any questions till now?
No, that's fine.
Explanation was fine to you?
Yeah, this is fine. If this is not a tough concept when
Sorry?
compared to others, this is easy, right? This is not a tough concept when compared to others, so this could be easy for me. This is
Well, actually, it's a little bit harder than others just because maintaining a ServiceNow CMDB is not easy task. Okay, because we are on the admin side. That's why I'm explaining you how it is working right now.
yeah,
Okay.
but it looks to be somewhat easy
Yes.
thinking overall for any process and managing the whole cost and equipment and everything. What
Yes.
required for that?
Okay. So tomorrow uh, will spend around 15 minutes on a technical side. Okay.
Yeah.
So then we can say it's yes done. I'm gonna complete updates it tomorrow. Okay. It's gonna take
Okay.
15 minutes, and then we will move on your. Then I'll move on your little bit development. Then how it works, and then we are done. I think we will complete by this Thursday. Thursday or max Friday.
Okay.
Or I think yeah, there will be one mega session on the Saturday or Sunday at max.
Okay.
So we are very nearby to complete your training. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Yeah. I hope you received enough time to study about the things. Okay.
Yeah.
Because generally these training which I give, I explain, I finish in 2 days. 2 days is mostly your 2 hours. Okay. But you was not from that background and it was not only for you. That's why I taken very slow. Okay.
Yeah.
So hope you have a better understanding of service now by now.
Yeah.
Okay. As far as the interview is concerned, probably I'll share some tips with you. Probably which I have asked to someone or which someone have asked to me. I have some doc with me. Probably
Hello.
if you ask the same question, then you can ask
Hello.
me. Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. So what I'm saying to you that if anything have which covers the whatever question which I have asked to the people or someone have asked me before. Okay. So I will share with you. So that can help
Yeah.
you
Okay.
in
Sure.
your
Thank
interview.
you.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Anything else which you would like to maybe explain?
No, no, that's okay. Fine for today.
Great, thanks. So we gonna meet tomorrow at the same time. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Great. Thanks.
Yep, thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.
Bye.